Good morning, students of 4th semester BSc AG 18-19 batch, Faculty of Agriculture, BAU Ranchi. Under production technology of fruit and plantation crops, today I am going to deliver the fruit plant jackfruit, which is very important, especially for the state of Jharkhand. Jackfruit, its botanical name is Artocarpus heterophyllus lamb. It belongs to the family Moraceae and 2n chromosome number is 56. Jackfruit is a popular fruit crop of the lowland tropics of eastern and southern part of India. It is the largest edible fruit, 20 to 40 kg. In Sri Lanka, a fruit of about 120 kg was harvested and created the world record. It is trunk bearer, that in its trunk the bearing fruits are observed. The tree has considerable potential, but it is yet to receive due attention in India. It is not generally cultivated in regular plantation and mainly grown in homestead for domestic uses and as a shade tree in coffee or cardamom plantation or as a avenue plant. Avenue means path, and in the side of path the plants which are planted known as avenue trees. Uses: the immature tender fruit and seed of ripe fruit are used for culinary purposes. Ripe fruit are used for table and value added products. Different type of value added products can be prepared. Wastes of fruit and leaves are used for cattle feed excellently. It produces valuable timber, furniture, musical instruments, toys, crates. Seed contains 7.22% crude protein. Now species and varieties. The Artocarpus heterophyllus, previously it was known as Artocarpus integrifolia. The other related jack species are Artocarpus altilis, it is breadfruit, small size fruit found in Tamil Nadu, Assam, Maharashtra and Kerala. Artocarpus lacucha, it is monkey jack. Here in local it is known as barhal. Small edible fruits, it grows wild in Assam, West Bengal, UP and Western Ghats. Artocarpus hirsute, it is a semi-wild edible species native to India. And Artocarpus champendens, it is having edible fruit with a strong odor like durian. We can see photographs of Artocarpus heterophyllus, Artocarpus altilis breadfruit and Artocarpus lacucha barhal or monkey jack. Original sources are due. Now varieties. Cultivated type are broadly classified into two groups: those producing fruit with firm flesh and crispy in nature, those bearing fruits with soft flesh and very juicy. Some of the varieties are GKVK1, Ceylon Jack, Swarna. Some types with local name like Gulabi, which is rose scented, Champa, like Champa flower, this word comes Champa, Hazari, Rudrakshi having small roundish fruit are also available. The variety GKVK1 and Swarna with superior quality fruits were from Karnataka, and gumless jack, Mutan Varika from Kerala. Singapore or Ceylon jack, it is remarkable for its precocious means early bearing. It is very early bearing, about 2.5 to 3 years it starts bearing. Medium in size, 7 to 10 kg. The flesh is sweet and crispy. The carpels are compact, yellow and firm with a strong aroma. The fruit contains about 80 seed. Now, uh, regional center for eastern region, ICR, this center, which is situated in Plantu, Ranchi. ICR Research Complex for Eastern Region. This center has developed two very prominent varieties of jackfruit. Swarn Manohar, which is for table purpose, it was released, and Swarn Purti for culinary purpose, it was developed. Now, soil and climate. The fruit tree is well suited for dryland condition. It can be grown under wide range of soil. Rich, deep and well drained soil is good for its cultivation. The fruit tree come up well under humid and warm climate of hill slope, arid warmer plains of South India. It is grown up to 1500 meter from main sea level and sensitive to frost and drought. Propagation. The seedling tree may take 10 years to bear. In India, most of the plantations are still raised by seed. The seedling can be raised in pot or polybag, which are ready for transplanting after 1 year. And among vegetative methods, layering, budding, grafting is difficult to carry out due to presence of gum and latex. Cutting were found to root easily under mist by treating with indole butyric acid at 3000 ppm. Recent year, softwood grafting and patch budding are commonly practiced. Air layering, marcotage or gutti is the earliest vegetative propagation technique of jackfruit. Treating air layers with indole butyric acid at 3000 to 5000 ppm at the time of air layering causes maximum rooting and survival of the layers. Planting. It is recommended to be planted at a spacing of 10 to 12 meter into 10 to 12 meter, row to row and row to row and plant to plant distance, accommodating 70 to 100 plants per hectare. It is planted during June-July. During summer, supplementary irrigation should be provided. Now, manuring and fertilization. For 1 to 3 year old tree, 200 gram nitrogen, 120 gram P2O5 and 60 gram of K2O per plant per year is given. For 4 to 7 year old tree, it is just doubled. 400 gram nitrogen, 240 gram P2O5 and 120 gram K2O per plant per year given. And from 7th year onwards, it is again 3 times of the first. 600 gram nitrogen, about 300 gram P2O5 and 240 gram K2O. K2O has been increased to 4 times, and nitrogen and phosphorus about 3 times 7th year onwards of the first year RDF. Intercropping. Short duration vegetables, leguminous crops, cowpea, horse gram, black gram, etc. are recommended and suitable for used as intercrops. Flowering. Flowering starts in December and continues up to March. It is monoecious, means male and female inflorescence present in same plant with spike type of inflorescence. Cross pollination is mediated by honeybees. A multiple fruit, sorosis type of fruit it is, in which entire inflorescence is changed into formation of fruit. It is sorosis type of fruit. The fruit take about 90 to 110 days after appearance of the spike. It matures in June-July and are available almost throughout the year in Assam and South India. Harvesting. It is a climacteric fruit. All we are well acquainted with this term, climacteric and non-climacteric. Harvesting is done by cutting the fruit along with stalk after developing sweet and good flavor. Change in fruit color from green to light yellow. Harvesting is done by cutting off the stalk carrying the fruits. Yield 15-year-old tree yield about 250 fruits. The individual fruit may weigh from 1 kg to about 2 kg, and average fruit yield is in the tune of 40 to 50 ton per hectare. Storage. Fruit are stored for 2 to 3 months at 5 degrees Celsius with 85 to 90% RH and for 1 week under ambient room temperature. Pest and diseases. Major pests of jackfruit are shoot and fruit borer, Diaphania, scaesalis, bud leaf eating weevil, Occhiromera, Artocarpus, mealybug, Drosica mangiferi, Aphids Toxoptera, Oranti, and among diseases, pink disease, which is caused by the fungus Botrybasidium salmonicolor, leaf spots by Phyllostricta artocarpina, soft rot, and soft rot are the important diseases. Diseases are mainly fungal disease and can be controlled by suitable contact and systemic fungicides. This is all about jackfruit. Thank you very much.